something for me that like I always get emotional about and that I love about Islam is that stress on family and legacy, and to think that, the decisions that you make can affect the ones that come after you. Just thinking about, who this future child could become, that maybe my dua for them or my dua for their children and, whoever they marry, can, affect them in a positive way. I heard from a young age that, our parents are going to be asked about how they raised us. We're going to be questioned about our actions. And I never want to be the reason why they don't, pass on to, Jannah or something, because something that I did, goes back and falls on them.